Hi boys and girls, hi everybody. Let's go over our math lesson for today, Tuesday, May 5th. We are working again with the hexagon. Do you remember how many sides a hexagon has? If you remember how many sides, hold up that many fingers. Does it have just 3 sides? No, that's a triangle. Oh, does it have 4 sides? Oh, that's a square or a rectangle. Does it have no sides? Nope, that's a circle. How many sides does a hexagon have? 6 sides. 6 sides for a hexagon. So let's open to page 393. We are on chapter 9.10. And we're going to work with our big word that we have in this chapter, the vertex. Say that with me. Vertex. We're going to work with the vertex, and we're going to see, we know a hexagon has 6 sides, but how many vertices does a hexagon have? So open to page 393. Let's take a look. We've got a nice big yellow hexagon here, and we've got 2 worms. Put your finger on the worm that is on the side, the straight side. And I see him right here at the bottom. He's on the straight side. Put your finger on the worm that is on the vertex. He is curved around the vertex. And we see him right here at the top. Fantastic, my friends. Let's count the sides of our hexagon. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a proper hexagon with 6 sides. Now let's count the vertices, and to help me keep track, I'm actually going to use my pencil and I'm going to write the number as we count. So count the vertices or the corners with me. Okay, are you ready? Let's start with where our worm is. This is number 1. This is number 2. That's a corner. This is number 3. Let's come down here to the bottom. This is number 4. Try to make it nice and dark so you can see that. I see one here. This is number 5. And I see one more up here. This is number 6. And I don't need to go back and count this one because I see that there's a number there already. It means I already counted it. So writing the numbers helps me to keep track of what I have already counted. And that would be great if you tried that too in your book, using a pencil and writing the numbers on the corners or the vertices as you count them. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a hexagon has 6 sides, and how many vertices? 6. That's easy enough to remember, right? 6 and 6. Let's use your finger and let's trace around the outside of our hexagon. Side to vertice, side to vertice, side to vertice, side to vertice, all the way around. Awesome, awesome work. Let's turn the page now to 394. And do you know what we're going to do on this page? We're going to look at our purple hexagon. We are going to count how many sides and how many vertices. And feel free to use your pencil, or you can use a counter. You can place counters on the vertices as you count them, or you can place counters on the sides, whatever is easier for you. Go ahead and count how many sides and how many vertices. Put your number of vertices here. Put your number of sides here for that purple hexagon. let's come across to page 395, and now we're going to draw our hexagon. And the hexagon is probably one of the trickiest shapes to draw. So these dots are really going to help us out today. I'm actually going to pull out a crayon so that it's easier for you to see the lines that I make. So remember, when we are drawing our hexagon, we need 6 sides and 6 vertices. I'm going to choose any dot to start, and I'm going to make a straight line going across the top. Nice straight line. I chose this dot to start, and I made a straight line going across the top. Now, this is also a great opportunity. If you have a cut out hexagon, you can trace your cut out hexagon for your first time. Now I'm going to make a slanted line down. So I'm going to come slant down, and I'm going to slant down again. Okay, so I have a straight line and then 2 slanted lines. Almost looks like a zigzag. Slant down. I chose to do 4 dots. And then I slanted down another 4 dots. Now I come to the bottom. I'm going to make my bottom look like my top. So I'm going to come straight across my bottom. My top, I go across using 5 dots. They're a little hard to see, but I used 5 dots at the top. So how many dots should I use at the bottom? 5. Let's keep it the same. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 dots across the top, 4 dots down, 4 dots down, 5 across. I'm going to go back up now. I'm going to complete my hexagon. I used 4 dots on this side. 4 dots here, 4 dots here. So how many should I use here? 4 dots. Let's keep it the same. I'm going to go slant up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to slant up another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have a hexagon. So like I said earlier, you can trace a hexagon that you have, or you can try to do it just freehand and count the number of dots. If you used 5 dots going across, then we know that the bottom will also have 5 dots. If you used 4 dots coming down and 4 dots coming down, then you know your sides are going to have 4 dots and 4 dots. And then go ahead and count your sides and your vertices. Make sure that you have 6 and 6. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see 6 sides. And then I'm going to use another color so I don't get confused. Maybe I will use green. And I'm going to circle my vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that I have a proper hexagon because I counted 6 sides and 6 vertices. You can make your hexagon big or small as long as it has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Okay, take your time with this one. And then let's come to page 396. I'm going to give you a riddle and you are going to solve it. You're going to draw this shape. I bet you can guess what it might be. I am a shape. I have 6 sides and 6 vertices. What am I? Draw that shape right here. All right. Awesome job, Smarty Pants. I will see you guys really soon. Bye-bye.